I was just about to call you. It's been a long day. I really appreciate your help. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it, please? I couldn't agree more. That sounds interesting. I'm not sure about that. I'll think about it. Let's call it a day. It's not a big deal. I'm running a bit late. Take your time, there's no rush. I'm in a good mood today. I couldn't sleep last night. Let me check and get back to you. That's not what I meant. Don't take it personally. I've got a lot on my mind. I'll keep that in mind. Everything will be fine, don't worry.